Ross, man. Pull up now. Let's go to Ross. You see, I'm messed up.
Yo, wait. I gotta finish some stuff, man.
Don't be like that.
Let me know when you get there, bro. I'm trying to place a bro.
You trying to place what?
I'm trying to place a trade.
Oh, place a trade. I'm at SE4, so you can pull up. Like I'm just here next to you. I'm at SE4.
I'm pull up. I arrived yesterday. Yo, shit. Yo.
Ah!
Yo.
Ah!
Yo. No lie.
I was Devin.
Nah,
You see this thing of you going to Durban and staying in a big house alone and not inviting us, it's a problem.
Chief, what do you mean?
No, man. How are the waves in Durban? How are the waves?
Nah, man, Devin was chilling, you feel me? Like, it was chilling. That's what I could say. Well, cool.
I don't. When you are now too old. You can't be doing that thing. You know, guys. Let me tell you, this guy doesn't mind booking a 7-bedroom house in Durban, staying there and meditating and ordering in and not even going out. This guy, that's what he does now. You see what money is doing to you, and busy taking YouTube videos every day.
We are petty.
How old are you now? This is the thing of getting married at a young age. I know I used to say I'm the uncle, and now you are the uncle, boy. Let me give you.
Hi traders and aspiring traders, I'm sorry to disturb your viewing pleasure of this video, but this couldn't wait. I've got good news for you who have been looking for a transparent and reliable broker. I want to recommend this new broker that I've recently been using. It's called FX Pro. I had the best experience with it since I've started using. Amongst the advantages of trading with FX Pro broker, I would like to note zero spread whenever you place a trade on your Forex account, deposit from as little as 200 rands. A ZAR-based trading account. Get this, FX Pro will double your deposit, meaning 100% of your deposited amount will be credited to the trading account. However, maximum credit amount will be $1,000 US. But I want to warn you that this credit is there to give you leverage in the market and you cannot withdraw it. Meaning what you can withdraw, it is the money that you deposited or your profits from the market, not the credit. And now, just for you, now they are organizing giveaway of valuable prizes such as Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, iPhone 14 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23, iPad the 10th generation, iPhone 14 256 gig. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is to register via my link down below the description box. Secondly, make a deposit and start trading. On September 22nd, the FX Pro Instagram account will run a giveaway among the participants. Make sure you stand a chance of winning by clicking the link below to register and to deposit and start trading right now. Trade like a pro with FX Pro.
Yeah, I'm at SE4 next to the house I used to stay in. You remember the time when I was staying in SE4 next to the house? Yeah, I'm there. No. Oh, yes, no. Next to, you remember that house? I used to stay in that house. You remember that house? I used to stay there.
Oh, I see.
Yes, next to Casa La Lisa.
Uzoploma ngalapho nje uzoshaya around boy.
Shy around, yo. But yeah,
eThekwini mfethu.
hey, it's a winning fit to Solboni too, and the pull-up game is like this now.
Niggas pull up with some hood.
Yeah, we pull up on the B. Be my wife.
Akufuneka kupull up i-M8 lapho manje.
Ayingeke liyaphi. Ayiliyaphi ayingeke izosithathela iy'ngane i-M8 ayingeke.
Angeke mfana ngiyakutshela.
Hayi M8 ngeke lento engenangqondo ezosithathela iy'ngane ayinangqondo leya moto phezulu. It can't think, it just does. It doesn't have the brains.
Yenza kuphela boy.
It's crazy. Okay, tell my people are asking about my Forex funds. Say something, man. They haven't heard you speaking anything. So say something.
Bro, I have a 300k account with my Forex funds. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ngizodrop i-video nje nami ngeperspective enginayo based off ukufunda yabo, like reading reading everything behind what's going on, whether it will survive or whether it will not. But either or, when I looked at the situation of my Forex funds, then if the doubles, it's an equal based type of battle. Like my Forex funds, if they pay the fine money, they can win. But if they don't pay it, they may lose. So
Uh,
either or, it's a 50.
but bruh, most of the guys were talking about the fact that the broker behind my Forex funds was also owned by them. So that was one of the issues because they could manipulate shit.
I mean, at the end, bro, a prop firm also needs a broker in order to work. And if you feel like you want
100%. Who funds the broker that has those certificates exactly?
to, yeah. So either or, it's crazy. So if my Forex funds agrees to pay 300 million, then good, it can continue. Because otherwise, though, my Forex funds makes a lot of money. Though there's no prop firm that has made such money in the firm industry.
Yeah, boy. Hallelujah. Hey, I feel like there's nothing that makes more than them, man. They're crazy, those guys, yo.
Yeah. So hey, boy, Gunji. So
But FTMO is the Jesus, bro. It's the Jesus. Ile plastic is all, le? Oh, bengithi le.
So here's a background food checks chilling my Forex funds. My Forex
Yeah.
funds. I can't say my Forex funds is a scam. Why? So that is about a millionaire. It has been paying people. Fucked up. So either or, bro, it doesn't. It's crazy. So it's a lot can happen in the prop firm industry. It's crazy.
Hey, but bro, hey. Let's see. Hey, nabo right albapis. Asiboneni kwenzakalani as time goes on.
But the Jaguar is always craving beer.
Hey, everyone has their own copy mechanism. Others smoke happily every day. Others smoke weed every day. I should have my own. Others fuck Uzi every day, so I should have my own. Oh, that's Litabo. Who is it? Litabo. Is the boy pulling up on me? Is it him? I called him to come over. Yeah, I called him to come over.
Mina you TP.
Him ganam.
You to TP.
Oh, Uti, no boy.
Boy, relaxile, boy.
I know. Nini, what time? Come on.
Hey, boy. Dog, I asked what's Kulpala or Yin. Hey, dog, I'm hating the fact. I think I'm getting fat or something. Like, yo. The level of stress, chief. The level is Samson, Jax.
You are getting all you want.
Yo.
You are getting all you want, so that's the difference.
My first boy, oh, Joesh, my shut down the industry. Tell my Ferrari, my face, my bro.
I was with him a day before yesterday. That guy does business, bruh. That guy does, you know when you're talking about business, yeah, that guy business. You see when I say business? Yeah.
You can never chill with Joesh, ne? And stay the same. I mean, I was with him before he actually got the Ferrari, the day before he got the Ferrari. Ha! A boy, who know what's in the relaxer, small until Sunday.
Let me tell you something. You're talking about a Ferrari now. I'm worried about what he's buying this week as well. I'm worried about that. That shit is crazy. Remember the dream car you used to have when back in the day, the one that you said you have, that car, that one.
Yeah.
He's buying that.
Yours.
He's buying that one. Yours, I don't want to say, but the big truck. He's buying the big truck. Yeah.
I knew my face.
He's buying no, not yours. Hey, he's buying the G is crazy. The G is crazy. Yes, he's buying the G.
Kenny, boy, fast.
That boy is too much. And we're chilling, and I'm telling him, can I have the double shots of select reserve? He says, "Hey, me, I'm a man of God. I don't drink." Hey,
And I pose it, doggy.
and that guy doesn't drink, doesn't smoke.
Yo,
Hey,
I thought Josh, crazy as discipline, bro. That nigga, we were chilling at this other restaurant. Then, hey, bro, me, I'm busy ordering shots there. I'm ordering
hey,
what?
the
He's
nigga
like,
said,
no, don't drink.
the nigga,
He
I used to
asked what,
drink. He says he used to drink. He no longer drinks.
bro. He legitimately asked for tea. He was like, "Can I please have tea in a jug?" And I'm like,
When I,
"What the?"
oh, how I'm surprised. What's happening? Are you good? And the nigga is too much. The nigga is too crazy, bro. Yo, hey.
Inspiration is too much, boy.
But it's fine. When I go do that, hey, but I'm gonna tell you something now. Hey, we're gonna talk on WhatsApp because this one we can't talk about it here. Hey, hey,
Kela magmala, so spicy.
hey,
Too much.
so can I just record you, wala? Hey,
I basis their post. As talk, as soon as we go live, there's always somebody who clicks that record button. Angazi abantu wayebaphoreka ngani.
I angithi isi content it.
Hey, abantu bafuna ukuba famous ngathi.
I see content. Hey, I see content. Hey.
Nigga,
But it's fine. Let's push. One thing I want to see is us pushing more and more and more and more. And more and more and more. Yazi ukhala ngubani George, ukhala ngu-Anthony. At look at the game. You have Anthony, you have Mamba FX, you have it was like mentioning all of them. It says do you see them having so much beef between the two of them or the three of them or the fifth of them or whatever it's happening? But everyone is winning. Everyone is winning. Actually, he wants to bring that thing to the game whereby, bruh, everyone is winning. Everyone is like, even the student is here winning. Everyone is just like winning because there's so much money. 6.7 trillion floating in the market in every day. Bruh, that's a lot.
I'm telling you, bro.
So basically, that's what's happening. So, hey, Vanna, hey, let's push in.
Sibani boy fast siboneni impilo kanjani. Hey, and again today my son is turning 2, bro. Fuck.
Yeah?
My son is turning 2 today.
Yo, you said you're throwing what? Where?
No, I'm doing a birthday like a birthday surprise for my son. I bought him a car. Uyosha Diego fast.
Yabona ingane zoshaya isincane kanje eyazi usuqalile ayisukile.
Shall go fast.
Mina ngizela amantombazana ngifune ukuzwa nix.
Hey, kambe ne.
I don't want to hear shit.
You must be overprotective as hell, ain't it?
I don't want to hear shit. I have girls. I don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear shit. Yeah?
Nitsamashisa nje boy.
Right. Relaxiwe fana. But amaphutha
Utiye kuzofana nobaba kuthatha isithembu so vele nje sithathe kwamthetho abo2 nje.
Never. Hey. I never. This thing not divider. Omunye ngizomusali never.
Phela utiye kwegoti dog. Kuzoba ugoat boy leya. Uyomlanda left right center.
I'll take her out every week so that she knows that I going out and buy flowers so that she knows that they know that this thing is not too much. It's something affordable.
Jagsy, uyayazi riz yam boy. I have the craziest riz. So imagine how Diego will.
I see yeah, le topic. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Ngiyabona boy.
No, my man, uzongitshela mina ngisayokera ne.
Yeah, I need to.
Yeah.
I need
So cool.
correct.
Best nge-meeting yakho uzongitshela.
Ngidlala ngisangane.
Oh, mara, mina you know nginenhliziyo enhle, hawu nginenhliziyo.
Ngihambani mina ngikhela kakubi. Ungikhela.
Hayi kahle. So I'm funding 100 million, relax.
But I saw ring a pointing it's fast place it trade. Swing in my face.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I'm gonna.
Marang and I'm over dog. I need to record some few videos. So
Yeah, let's go cut. Let's add Darren and go cut. Let's hear what Darren has to say. Let's add Darren, then go cut. Let me hear. I miss Darren now. Put Darren, Mr. Dix.
yeah, mas mina dog. Bando.
We are Mars with Darren. Now. Hey, brother.
Yo.
Hey, winner.
Industry shutters. Hey, Joel.
Are you my king?
Hey, Naidu.
How are you?
I'm chilling. How are you?
Hey, bro, how are you?
Are you
I'm good.
still having tea?
I know it's all good, man. Hey, we are in Durban.
Are you in Joburg?
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Come meet us. Come. I'll
Ah,
drop you.
hey, you know me and you. As soon as we are together, what happens?
Hi, bro. It's too scary. Scary. Hey, no, come.
You let me
We'll drop
know.
you I'll
Okay.
drop you the address now on message. Wait.
All right. Cool. No problem.
One second.
It's dropping you the address.
Dog,
Yo,
the thing
what?
is, when you meet, hey, it's always the problem.
You already talk about man.
Something big is about to happen now, guys. You can see this how things are coming now. Hey,
It's very serious.
Joel, you
coming.
promised me a t-shirt. Where's my t-shirt?
For you. No, for you it's a special one. That's why it's taking longer. It's a special one. The almighty Jaguar.
Hey, J Money, somebody told me about something. Look at your Instagram. I texted you something. Check it out right now.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Wait. Is it about?
I'm on. I'm on here,
One
bro.
thing I know is true.
Yeah, check.
Yes, brother. Yes.
One thing about me. Remember when I told you I'm always ahead of the industry? I knew before, like,
But also now, you know me. You remember we were in Cape Town. You told me something.
Yeah.
About a certain thing, and then I respected it as well.
Yeah.
You understand? And the thing is, me, I respect a guy. If a guy tells me don't cross this boundary, I won't cross it.
Yeah, that's
You know
true.
what I'm saying?
I
So
understand.
he told me something. He told me, and then I said, hey, I mustn't cross it. But right, come.
All right, I know. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna hear it. What's the word? What's the word?
What's the
Plus,
word?
I also need a ride in that Ferrari.
See, Jaguar is excited. He's excited.
I need a
I am
ride in that Ferrari, man.
me. I'm hip.
Now I'll put
Guys, we're gonna go now. I've got a meeting. But bro, I'll drop you a time when you can come.
All right, cool.
Jack, I'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.
Go meet sharp. Have a good one. I'm gone as well.